on the train right now, and it's raining.
I can never tell this job.
Hello. All four of us. We're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so I'm the only one who got off the train. They all left me outside. We're at Eco Bridge right here. So we're gonna go see a bridge. I mean, it looks nice. It's a really nice place. But it's just like, why am I here? Yeah, we're gonna see where we're going next. Wait, what? No! The train left! No! No! Where's the Alright, so the train left without me. I'm stuck here alone. I'm stuck here on Eco Bridge. So looks like I'm gonna go explore this place. I have no idea where I'm going. Seeing if the train... No, there's no train. I'm left behind. We're gonna keep going and see where everything is. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look how wet my pants are. Oh, this is so... Hey. So I found this place. There's a windmill. Shoot. Whoa. Alright, we're going to that windmill. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ah. Where am I? It's creepy children. These things are moving by themselves. What the heck? Ah. Oh, look at that guy. I wonder why it's a black dude. Why is he the only black guy drawn in this amusement park? You know, some things in this world I just don't understand. Oh shoot, it's the next train. Wait, I need to get on that thing. Ah! Oh! Train. 감사합니다. So, what did we learn today? Don't go out by yourself. It doesn't work like that, okay? Because you'll end up like me. You'll end up just walking through ponds, lakes, windmills. The Museum of Lake Hills. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, look at all that. Oh my gosh. It's such a beautiful day for a freaking picnic. 괜찮아요. No, you could 괜찮아요. You could close that. Yeah, 감사합니다. Thank you. I'm not getting out. Yeah, go away. Go away. Go away. I decided to seclude myself from the outside world. It's gonna give you wet pants. It's an abandoned train. You know why it's abandoned? Because this place sucks. No, it won't close. Hello guys, hello, how was your warm trip back here? Your dry, nice warm trip. I came walking all the way here. Bye. I had a great time here. Oh my gosh, we're so crazy right now. Hey, so we're gonna climb up that giant thing right there. This is crazy. This is nuts.
고단한 하루가 끝나지 않는 이미 늦은 저녁 전화기 넘어 들리는 네 웃음소리 난 다시 일어날 수 있어 아직 선물이 있으니까 아직 이 황량한